topic which is 4.2.2, and this is role of rights in teacher training programs at elementary level in Pakistan. The regional institutes of teacher education, which is for rights in Pakistan, play a crucial role in teacher training and professional development. These institutes are responsible for providing training and support to both pre-service and in-service teachers. Here's an overview of the role of rights in teacher training in Pakistan. Number 1 is pre-service training. R.I.T.Es offer pre-service teacher training programs such as Bachelors of Education and Postgraduate Diploma in Education to individuals aspiring to become teachers. These programs prepare teacher candidates with the necessary knowledge and skills required for effective teaching at various educational levels, including primary and secondary. Number 2 is curriculum development. R.I.T.Es may be involved in the development and revision of teacher education curricula. They work to ensure that teacher training programs align with the national and provincial education policies and standards. They focus on creating curricula material that are relevant to the needs of education system and specific region they serve. Number 3 is pedagogical training. R.I.T.Es provide training in pedagogical methods and strategies to enhance the teaching skills of both pre-service and in-service teachers. This training includes innovative teaching methods, classroom management techniques, and the use of technology in education. Number 4 is in-service teacher training. R.I.T.Es offer various in-service teacher training programs and workshops to help practicing teachers enhance their teaching abilities and stay updated on current educational trends and practices. These programs focus on professional development and can cover topics such as curriculum implementation, assessment, and educational leadership. Number 5 is research and evaluation. R.I.T.Es often engage in educational research and evaluation activities to assess the effectiveness of teacher training programs and curriculum. Research findings help identify areas for improvement and guide the development of evidence-based teaching practices. Number 6 is collaboration. R.I.T.Es collaborate with provincial and regional education authorities, universities, schools, and other educational institutions to implement teacher training programs and initiatives. They closely work with local stakeholders to ensure that teacher training is tailored to the specific needs to the region. Number 7 is professional development. R.I.T.Es provide opportunities for professional development for both teachers and teacher educators. These include training programs for educators who work at R.I.T.Es themselves. Number 8 is curriculum support. R.I.T.Es assist school and teachers in implementing the national or provincial curriculum effectively. They may provide guidance, teaching resources, and instructional materials to help teachers align their classroom with prescribed curriculum. Then training of teacher educators. R.I.T.Es play a role in teacher training educators who is in turn to train pre-service and in-service teachers. This helps maintain the quality of teacher education at all levels. Number 10 is capacity building. R.I.T.Es may engage in capacity building efforts to strengthen the overall education system in the region they serve. This can involve training school administrators and school managers. The specific functions and priorities of R.I.T.Es may vary by region or province in Pakistan, as education is a developed subject, as each a provincial or regional education authority may have in its own approach to teacher training and development. Nevertheless, R.I.T.Es play a crucial role in building a skilled and qualified teacher workforce and improving the quality of education also.